YouTube, man, this is your boy Walk Motions ENT, and we're back with another lit video. Yo, as y'all can see by the title, man, I'm bringing y'all through my complete, this is the secret sauce of mine, my complete self-care routine, and I feel like you guys will enjoy this a lot. If you don't have a self-care routine, you can copy after mine. I feel happy to give it to you, feel me? And just enjoy it, man. I feel like as men and as women, you have to have great hygiene. You have to have a great sense of cleanliness to you, you know? So hopefully this can help you out. I hope that y'all follow step by step. If y'all don't, at least implement some things into y'all own routines. And yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And this is my self-care routine. Alright, y'all, so the first thing I did is I went to the spa, man. I got my nails done, my feet done. You see my face right there. My toes is looking a little bit crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But they had some nice things. They gave me a water bottle, they gave me a massage chair. And you know, I just laid back, enjoyed the experience, and just let them do what they do, you know. Had to get clean, had to get my stuff clean real quick, you feel me? Honestly, y'all, it only took like about an hour and a half. I paid about $40, so it's cheap, y'all. So I usually go like every 3 months, but I usually do it by myself. Like I usually do my own nails. I cut them, trim them, and you know, I just got a clear coat on my fingers. And I advise all men to go do this, man. It's a great experience, man. And just get yourself fully clean, like fully clean. No dirt in your nails or anything. So next, I went to the hair salon, man. I decided today I wanted to get like some barrel twists, you know. My forehead type big, but yeah, I got my hair washed, retwisted. I'm scheduled to go back in August, and that's the finished product. And yeah, it was about like $80. YouTube, man. So this is the part of the video that I like the most, you know. Once you get your hair done, everything done, you feel me, nails done, everything did, no, you feel me, no freak shit. But once you get that done, bro, it's just like, I'm so like accustomed to be able to cut my own hair. It's like when you learn a craft like that, you can be able to do it any time. So if I want my hair cut at, as you can see, like it's 1 o'clock right now, I can cut my hair at 1 o'clock, vibe, you feel me? And just do a lot of things. So I advise y'all guys, you know, just learn something. Just learn the craft, bro. And life is about learning, not just sitting back and watch other people do the things that, you know, you feel like you can learn by yourself. So like that's one of the things I feel like I can learn by myself, and I did, and now I'm a master at it. I can do my own hair. And eventually, man, if you really want to, you can do a lot of things with it. You can make money. You can just be able to provide cuts to your family or whatever. Anything in life, man. Anything that's man-made and you can learn, bro, try it out, bro. I advise y'all that, man. That's my hidden gem in this video. But, you know, like I said, I'm about to vibe out. I usually listen to some Drake around this time. Just chill a little bit. And y'all about to see though, so I'm gonna get into this cut though. Let me show y'all how my hair look right now. You feel me? It's alright. It's okay. I look crazy a little bit, I know, but we're gonna get this up and rocking and moving and vibing. You feel me? But let's get into the video.
Yeah. Remember you was living like it back when all you used to do was fun. That's for sure though. I made a career.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dang, girl, you fine, just like China.
Fake love to me, straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
I don't wanna waste your time, just wanna get up behind you. Doing all this work, but the nigga is not hired. Yeah, it's been so long, how the fuck am I not tired? Pockets getting fat like a nigga who's retired. Heard your time came, say y'all niggas is expired. I don't want no middleman, take me to your supplier. Ain't no way I'm going down, I just keep going higher. They wanna be like me, cause they see a nigga flyer. I come in her crib, leave her squirting like a geyser.
Alright, y'all, man, so this is the portion where I'm gonna show y'all like what I use on a day-to-day basis with my personal needs. So this is my toothbrush, toothpaste, all my other stuff. You know, I showed y'all the tongue scraper. I'm gonna go step by step and tutorial of some of them. But you know, these are the products I use, man. Y'all can, if y'all want to, y'all can take these products, man. Probably like a lot of this costs a good amount because it's the best products I got. And like I said, man, I hope y'all just try them out, and y'all gonna see all the things that most of them do, the major ones do about right now. Alright, y'all, so y'all just see me got my hair cut, my hair done, my nails done, everything, man, everything possible I got done. So this is like the hygiene part. So I'm gonna tell y'all guys about the hygiene part. This is for males. Some of this is for males. I feel like women, you can use some of this, implement some of this stuff, but majority is like the stuff I'm about to show y'all is for males. And yeah, it's a lot of natural stuff. And yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, the first thing, you know, you gotta do first, you know, when you wake up in the morning, it's the first thing you should do. This is my mouth and area, whatever you call this type of area. This is my routine for this. So I have my, you know, you gotta start off with the peroxide. I start off with peroxide in the morning. Then I go on with the Listerine. And then I do it after I get done with my extra stuff too. But actually first I start off, you know, you gotta floss your teeth. I at least floss my teeth twice a day. You know, you can get some cheap flosses. It don't matter. You can get any type of flosses. It's gonna help you just get extra like food, you know. It was just past 4th of July, so I know y'all breath stink. Y'all got extra food and odors in your junk. So y'all gonna need to floss it in junk. So y'all gonna have to use this. But you know, you should do it twice a day. So let's get into it. The next thing I do is I go in with the peroxide and Listerine. So I'm gonna do that. With the peroxide, you just like a couple squirts, you know. No crazy junk. And go into Listerine. Next time, y'all, you know, you get a regular toothbrush. My toothbrush look like this, man. You can have any type of toothbrush, really. Just preferably a soft bristle one. I got some Colgate, you know, and yeah, you should brush your teeth, bro. You should be at least brushing your teeth for like 5 minutes, though. 5 minutes is the max, you know. You want to get up in here, out of hair, on your tongue, out of hair, like getting your, you know, your lip part, like getting all of that, you feel me? All in here. Like at least every spot should you at least hit it like 5 times, bro. Like scrub it at least 5 times. So after y'all did that, now y'all want to go, you know, go back with this. And this is the key, bro, to having fresh breath, you feel me? On your tongue, you got a lot of extra food, a lot of extra, like, bacteria, mad stuff. And your tongue white, if your tongue white, bro, like, it's not good. Like, if your tongue white, bro, it's not good, you feel me? If your tongue is, like, OD white, bro, that's not good. So, this gonna help you with that, man. Put the peroxide on this, and then rinse it out again with the mouthwash and the peroxide, and y'all gonna see that. But do this for, like, at least two minutes, bro. At least 2 minutes. Like no cap, a day. That's why I at least do 2 minutes straight. And yeah, do not let your tongue start bleeding though. It can bleed, but don't scrub too hard. But scrub, you know. A lot of chapped, crusty bros out there that really got chapped lips. Feel me? My lips look valid. But this is what I use, bro. No cap. I use this. It's a lip scrubber, bro. Get you a lip scrubber, bro. Your chappedness will go away. Your chappedness will go away. Okay. You know, sometimes your face a little dirty. Even though I have a whole skincare routine, but I always find ways to be able to clean my skin a lot more than like the actual face wash and the other stuff. So you know, I learned, you know, witch hazel. Witch hazel is a good thing. You can get any type of witch hazel from the dollar store, Walmart, any store grocery store you go to, Amazon, and you just get some cotton swabs and you just really just wipe your face up. I usually scrub up. Y'all gonna see right now. And y'all also, like, you know, sometimes you got just like a little white stuff in your nose. Just like mush your nose like this. Get the white stuff out. I forgot what it's called, but you know, just get that white stuff. And yeah, gonna clean out your pores on your nose. This is like the main thing you need, you feel me? Body wash and soap. So usually, you know, I use this, you know, Cremio. I don't know how to say it for real, but it's just some little junk. I seen it on TikTok first. I was using Method Man and I tried this and I liked it more, so I just started using this more. This is the bourbon oak kind, and then I usually top it off. You feel me? This is a hidden gem of mine. I don't know if y'all know about this, man, but it's African black soap. It's a diet for it, man. So I just usually put that on in the shower. I usually use this too. This is a like a natural loofah, and it's just made out of a plant, and you know, it's good for your skin, bro. It's gonna help get that dirt off. And I use a rag. That's what the two things I use. Alright, y'all, so this is what I used to get you know, just a lot of extra dirt on your face off. You know, I forgot, I don't know how to say it. Noxzema, I forgot how to say it, but yeah, you feel me? It's gonna clean your pores out. It's gonna get more extra dirt. You know, I usually put it on and then I get in the shower. Alright, y'all, man, I just got a shower. I didn't record that part of me getting dressed and putting my clothes on, but I'm gonna show y'all what I do put, like, lotion wise, and you know, just to oil your body up. I feel like your body shouldn't be dry, you feel me? Just have it, you know, just a little bit oily, you feel me? You know, just lotion your body, you feel me? But like I said, I use baby oil and I use, you know, just some regular lotion. And sometimes I use a oil. This is like essential oil from a hair store, and it's Burberry Sport. So I usually just try to like change up the scents maybe sometimes. Put this on it, roll this in the oil, put all of it together, mix it up, put it on my body. I don't put it on my face, but you know, that's all I do though. You know, just keep your body clean, just hygienic person all the way through. You know, and see, now these are the products I use for my face. Once I got out the shower, you know, sometimes you gotta put I use African shea butter. This is one of the things that I use for my face. It's just good, bro, for especially black people. You know, this is like a natural product that you can use, and it's just gonna do good for your skin, and it's not gonna be too much extra stuff. Another thing I use is Aquaphor. It's summertime, you know. It's gonna like help you like not get as much sunburn. And yeah, I use that. And then I go in with the CeraVe CeraVe is another thing I use, moisturizing cream. And I'm gonna have a skincare routine coming up. My full-blown skincare routine. I'm gonna drop it next week, but y'all gonna see this, you know, self-care day routine. So yeah, this is all the things I use for my face. I'm gonna put this on. Alright, YouTube, man. So this is my self-care day routine. I showed y'all guys every single step by step. I hope that y'all use these steps and just implement them into your everyday life, you know. Like I said, hygienic, cleanliness is great, you know. That's part of the Bible. Cleanliness, man, you know, that's great, man. Just be clean, bro. Clean is the best thing. Everything aspect you do is just be clean. You don't want to be dirty, especially the girls out there. You know, some girls don't like dirty niggas, bro. There's some girls that out there like dirty niggas. But why would you want to be one of them? Vice versa for girls, you feel me? Niggas don't like dirty girls. I don't like dirty girls. I don't like girls that when I walk into them, they don't smell exactly how they want them to smell. So, you know, there's certain things you gotta do in life, and this is one of them. It should be top of your list. Yeah, I hope y'all guys use this. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video. Tell me in the comments more ideas y'all want for videos like this. And yeah, man, hope y'all have a blessed night, blessed day wherever y'all at. And remember, keep grinding and everything will pay off. I'm gonna get with y'all again.